So Chloe says this is what happens when you have a crazy mom, but I couldn't help it. It's an empty building, and I've always wanted to drive in one, so here I am driving in one. You really can't see it. I want to put my lights on because
You hear a kid eating an apple.
because you hear it. Anyways, we're driving around in this empty warehouse. Get over here by the doors, the bay doors, so you can see what I'm doing. I'm driving around. This is awesome. Obviously they knew people wanted to probably do this, so they put cones, but there was one spot that had no cones. Now if I had a Mini Cooper, I'd be tearing ass through here, just saying. Oh weird, you can actually see the seams inside. Oh, this is so much fun. Of course, people usually come in to take the supplies. I could care less about that. I just want to drive inside here. So this is the whole place. It reminds me of, oh, when they took the Mini Coopers in that one place. Oh, I think it was the Italian job. That's what it feels like. This is cool. Of course, if I was here by myself, I'd be going nuts, but safety first when my daughter's in the car, always.
Excuse you.
What?
I don't care if I'm safe.
I do. This is pretty cool. Just gonna go around the perimeter. Now I can say I've done that. That was awesome. I bet you at night it's even cooler. So I think that one's already distribution place, but not this one, not yet. It is empty. So yeah, we were just driving in there. Thought it would be fun. Didn't take anything. Saw a ton of stuff in there, but didn't really care about that. Just wanted to drive through. Oh, plane. No idea where we are. Just started driving down this road and saw it. I just couldn't help myself. All right, thanks for joining me.